first because I think like my opinion is contrary to almost everybody else that I've met. So like a lot of people, for example, think of Pratilipi as a vernacular startup or Indian language startup or all of that. And a lot of times when people ask me for advice, it's like you're building for the next billion users. So what do we kind of do? What is different? And like, how do these people think differently, behave differently and all of that? My experience has always been that people's core beliefs, core aspirations, what makes them tick is actually fairly similar across cultures, across age groups, across a bunch of different things. It's obviously possible that their priorities are slightly different. Like if I don't have enough money to eat, I'm probably not going to pay you for insurance. So that's obviously there. But apart from that, I think people's fundamental desires or aspirations are fairly similar. So like when you're thinking about building a product, for example, I think you're thinking in the right direction. It's just that you have to go and talk to the same users and ask similar questions, except for the fact that the answers might be different. So just be open to having different answers. Like the approach doesn't really change that much. So I don't particularly think, for example, that English newspapers or English channels or English whatever are fundamentally different from Hindi newspapers or Hindi channels. Of course, like there will be a lot of nuances. So like not all English news channels are same, not all Hindi news channels are same for newspapers or books or whatever else. Like again, the spread might be different. So like Hindi, for example, there might be a lot more spread towards mass media versus let's say niche media. In English, niche media might have more reach, but that's just a nuance. Coming to the size, so it depends on sector, right? But in general, if you look at almost anything, if you look at, for example, let's say TV dollars, if you look at ad dollars, if you look at reach or publication of newspapers, books published, whatever, you typically see that like Indian languages organized market is about 4x of English and unorganized market should be probably more like 10x. So rough idea, out of top 14 newspapers in the country, there is only one in English, which is Times of India. The remaining 13 are in variety of different Indian languages. So of course Hindi has the biggest share, but like Hindi is not only one there. So same for magazines. In the number of books published, for example, the official number of books published in India is 100,000, out of which English only about 25,000. So again, about 3x of that is Indian languages. But like a lot of Indian language books don't even get ISBN, so the unorganized number would be even higher. The same would be true for like Bollywood versus, let's say, Hollywood movies within the country. So sure, one particular Hollywood movie can make a lot of money, but overall Bollywood versus overall English movies, Bollywood is still be like easily 5x or 10x bigger. And that's just Bollywood. That's not even counting other languages. Like depending on different sectors and different use cases, the size different might be different. But Indian language content space would usually be at least 4x, 5x bigger, simply because of two things. The number of people, number one, who understand Indian language would be much higher than the number of people who understand English. And secondly, even people who understand English, it's not like they have anything, well, majority of them, it's not like they have anything against Telugu or Hindi or Marathi or Tamil, right? What majority of these people want is great stories. Like, if you are showing me a story that I don't like, then I'm not interested. But like, for example, for somebody like me, show me a Gangs of Wasseypur, I would love it every single day of the week. It's not like I prefer Game of Thrones because it's in English. I prefer Game of Thrones because it's a fantastic story. Give me a similar story in Hindi, I would love it. So I think like there would be a lot of overlap between these two as well. So I think like